are you this afternoon?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, this afternoon we want to study English about work. English question. Yeah. I want to read and please follow me. Number 1. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Number 2. What is your name?
What is your name?
Number 3. What do you think?
What do you think?
Number 4. What do you see?
What do you see?
Number 5. What do you feel?
What do you feel?
Number 6. What are you waiting for?
What are you waiting for?
Number 7. What is the matter?
What is the matter?
Okay, number 8. What is the difference?
What is the difference?
Okay, number 9. What is going on?
What is going on?
Okay, number 10. What is your problem?
What is your problem?
Okay, number 11. What do you know?
What do you know?
Number 12. What do you like?
What do you like?
Number 13. What do you need?
What do you need?
Number 14. What is your opinion?
What is your opinion?
Okay, number 15. What do you do?
What do you do?
Number 16. What do you like?
What do you